Yes, good evening all. Children, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, how was your exam? How was your exam?
Good, sir.
Okay, let's discuss the question paper now. Just a minute.
Sir, we are discussing about paper, right?
Yes, we are going to discuss that. Yes, tell me, guys. How many of you uh, have doubts in the question paper?
Yes, sir, I have doubt. I have kept all correct answers, but it's showing some wrong.
You have kept all the correct answers, but what?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, I have attempted correct questions, but they are showing wrong.
Yes, no problem. We'll discuss it. How it is showing wrong. Let's see.
The first one's 50, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
sir.
How many have you done this?
Yes, I've done this, sir. Sir,
Hmm. Yes, Nitya is joining now. Yes, guys, tell me what is the answer for the first question.
50, sir, 50.
How do you solve that?
Sir, both the sides are equal, so yeah. So no need to calculate.
Look at this here. Both the sides are equal actually. This side and this side equal.
Yes, sir, so opposite angles are equal.
Opposite angles will be equal. So this angle will be what now, beta?
50, sir.
50 degrees. So sum of
So
all.
not this one. That one will be 50, right?
Yes, opposite angles will be equal. So this would be what now? Look at this here. This side and this side would be equal, right? Opposite angles, this and this will be equal. So 2x.
Sir, we don't need to solve the entire angle they're asking.
They're asking for what? BAC, right? Sorry. They're asking for what? BAC, beta.
Yes, sir,
What is
so
the
it's
answer?
50 only. 50.
Yes, need not to solve actually. BAC. So opposite this side and this side both are equal actually. Opposite angles to equal sides will be always what?
Equal, yes, sir.
This angle, this angle. So both will be equal. Answer is going to be 50. Next. How many have you done this? Here A
Sir, I've actually done, I almost got this, but I thought it was 110. It is
is
actually 1.
parallel to DC. Okay, AB.
Yes, sir. So like that makes a 130 with the 180. Yes, sir. That angle.
AB is equal to AC. Then what is ABD?
So the EAC angle makes 130. Angle EAC. Sir?
1 second. No, please. Okay. Yes, guys, tell me. So
Sir, the angle EAC is 130. 180 minus 50, 130.
Answer is 130. How many have you got 130?
Sir, I actually wrote 110. I did 200 minus 130, so I got it like 70. That's what I want.
Okay, but you didn't attempt this
Yes,
question.
sir. Like I understood the concept, but I did some calculation mistake. Instead of 180 minus 50, I wrote 200 minus 50 something.
Ah.
Yes, sir. This question, only this question I got wrong.
Okay, this angle, and look at here, this you might have learned in lines and angles. These are
Yes,
corresponding angles.
sir. So interior, yes, sir.
Corresponding angles. This 50 and this C are corresponding angles. Next BCA. BCA. How much
Yes,
is
sir. We
this?
can do it like different methods, 130
Yeah.
and all.
CBA.
Yes, sir. ABD is a corresponding to angle B, sir. Angle ABD.
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now these two are equal sides. Right? So angle B now. Angle B and angle C will be both are equal. What is B here? Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
B is how much?
50, sir.
B is what? CBA.
50. Yes, sir.
CBA.
So, yes, sir. The CBA is 50, sir. So ABD will be 130. 180 minus 50.
This will be 50, right, beta? So this will be 50, right? So corresponding L, this also will be 50 degrees here.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then now this angle and both are equal or not?
Yes,
Both
sir.
are equal. Now here, now can I say angle A, B, D
Is equal to 180 minus 50, sir,
plus
because linear pair, sir.
now angle CBA. How much? These are linear pair, right?
Yes, sir. So
180 degrees.
AB plus 50 is equal to 80.
So
ABD is equal to 180 minus 50, 130.
180 degrees angle CBA is asking.
Sir, we can tell like that also.
Sir, they're asking angle ABD, not angle CBA.
ABD is asking, right?
Sir, CBA is 50, not ABD. Angle ABD.
1 second. So we need to
110.
find out ABD. 1 second. Yeah, we
Yes,
wrote.
130.
Got it.
130.
We need to find out ABD, right? So ABD plus
ABD plus angle CBA or ABC, anything. Yes, sir.
CBA is equal to 180 degrees.
Yes,
ABD
so
we need to find
angle
out
ABD plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABD is 130.
180.
Yes.
I wrote ulta, that's it.
Yes, sir. You wrote ulta. That's
Sir, we can write like that also.
Which one? No. ABD, I wrote.
50.
No, man, look at it here. ABD value, I wrote it as 50 actually. That is what we need to find out. Earlier, how I wrote? ABD, I wrote it as 50. That is the mistake we
yes,
made.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, so next question.
Next question. So, any doubts, children, here? In a figure, X is a
sir.
point. X is a point in the interior of a square. Okay, in a square ABCD.
Yes, sir. Sir, no, they already gave the diagram, sir.
Oh, already gave the diagram. My goodness.
Yes, sir. If you scroll.
ABCD.
Yes, sir.
ABCD AXYZ is also a square. DY is 3 centimeter. AZ is equal to 2 centimeter. Then BY is what? These
Sir,
are
ZD is 3, I think they said. DZ.
they're asking for BY. All right.
Sir, ZD and XB are same length because corresponding sides, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me
Sir,
here.
it is a square, right? The all sides will be same, right?
Sorry.
Sir,
the
they gave AZ is something length, so the square length is also all the same.
No.
Really?
Let me teach. I'll teach you. Don't worry. See here. The question is the figure given is what? One is given here. X is a point in the interior of square ABCD. AXYZ is also a figure. Is also a square. DY is what? 3 centimeters. Then AZ is equal to
Sir, here dy is 3 centimeters, so XB will be 3 plus 2 because
DY
yes.
is what? DY is what? 3 centimeters.
3, sir. So it's 3 of the XB, sir, like some part.
AZ almost given 2, right?
Yes, sir. So it will be 5.
One second,
Total
one
XB
second.
length.
Okay.
Sir, XB is 5.
Yeah. So now can I say beta dz is what?
DZ
dz
is
is what?
equal to
dy
a.
plus yz. Yz is what? I mean dz how much?
Sir,
dy
3
how much?
plus 2. 3
dy
plus
is
2.
what? 3 plus yz how much? Yz.
2, sir, 2. Sir, it's 5. So if it's 5, then XB will be 5 and XY is 2 again.
Yz
So
is
I
what? dz is equal dz is equal to 5.
so
Right?
XB is also 5.
5, right? dz is equal to what? dz. This is what?
Sir,
5.
Okay.
so
5.
this whole thing is
Ah.
5, sir, and XB is also 5.
Yes, this is 90 degrees here, of course. This is also 90
Yes.
degrees here, right? So now can I
Sir,
use this triangle ADZ? Now can I use this triangle now? This triangle? Can I apply Pythagoras theorem in the triangle? From triangle ADZ, what is hypotenuse square?
yes, sir.
AD
So
square.
AD is 5, sir. Not 5. So it's root 13 something.
AD. So AD is what? AD square is equal to AZ how much? 2 square, which is 4. DZ how much?
9, sir.
DZ is 4 5 square 25. So AD is equal to square root of 29.
Sir, no. Sir, 4 plus 9, right?
DZ
DZ is 9. No, sir, it's 25 only. 20.
DZ is what? 5 square, man. So 5 square is what? 25 or not?
25. So it's 30, 29 root. Yes, sir.
AD square.
Sir, instead of doing this, I think those two triangles are congruent, sir. So that's why I did.
Yes, we'll do one thing. Now can I use this triangle? Look at the, let us use this triangle. AX AD.
So that will also come 3 because that square AD is equal to
AB
AB.
square, AB square plus AX square plus BX square. Correct?
Sir, instead of doing this, we can do SAS. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is a square, right? That is a square actually. AB is equal to AD here. Look, let me tell you. AB is equal to AD or not, tell me. Since it's a square, AB is equal to AD. And then AX is equal to what? This AX is equal to what? AZ. This is also a square, beta. Someone was asking me, someone was calling me that how come it became 2 actually. It is a square, beta. Look at it.
Yes, sir, that's
Yes,
also.
sir. All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. So ZY, I mean YZ is equal to 2 actually. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes. Next. What we need to find out here? What we need to find out? We need to find out
BY.
BY we need to find out, right? Yes. So let me write here. Let me
So that is also equal to 3 only, sir. Root 29.
Yes, yes. AD square is what, beta? AD square is equal to AZ square plus
Sir, C is
AZ
around.
square. Right? AD square how much we got? 29. AZ how much? 4.
Sir, 4. Plus, we don't know, sir. Like it's 3. Yes.
DZ is what? DZ is what here? DZ is equal to
BX. BX.
No, sir. It is congruent, right? It will be
Yes.
5. 5 it was
yes,
only.
BX square
5
here.
plus 2 it will be, no, sir.
Yes, sir. 7. 7. The
Yes,
answer.
sir. Answer 7 it will
AD
be.
square is equal to AZ square.
BX square, sir. It's B.
But like no, yes, yes. Let me write here. But I just wrote directly. I don't have space here. Let me tell you. AD square is equal. I mean, like you write like this, but I'll tell you one thing here. First of all, let us write. We know that what here? AB is equal to AD. Okay. AX is equal to AZ. Now
Yes, sir.
we will write now. AB square is equal to AX
Sir,
square
AX, right? Is that AX?
BX square. So AD square is what now? AB is equal to AD, right? Now you can write AB value as AD. AX is equal to what? AX
Sir,
AX is equal to what?
29. 29, sir.
No, AX is equal to AZ or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. AX is equal to ZY. Yeah, AZ, anything. Yes.
AX is equal to AZ. BX is what we don't know. BX we need to find out. AD how much better? 29.
So
AZ
29
how
is
much?
equal to 4.
4.
4, sir. Plus
BX
BX.
square. So BX square is equal to 25. So BX is equal to 5. Correct? BX is equal to what now? This BX is equal to 5.
5. So XY is 2, sir. So BX 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes, sir. 7 is
Yeah.
the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
So
I
BX
told
is 5.
first time.
Very good. Next,
Sir,
we
I
need to
also
find.
knew it.
Very good, beta. Very good. BY is what, beta? BY is what? YX
Yes, sir.
plus BX. YX is what, beta? 2 plus 5.
Yes,
BX
sir.
is 5.
Sir, we can tell that they are two are congruent, right? That then it will be
No,
length
we
will be
can't.
5 only.
Sir, we can't because it's SSA, I think.
Which one?
SSA.
Which one?
Sorry, we can't tell these two are congruent because it's
Which
SSA.
congruent? I didn't get you. Which one? Which two are?
He's saying triangle AZD and AXB. So, but we can't say it's SSA, I think.
AZB.
Because
Yeah.
AZD, sir. AZD and
Uh,
AXB.
How come? How come?
They're not congruent, yes, sir. It's SSA or something.
See the sides. Check the sides which we got. 5 we got. There is 5A, DZ, and AXB. How come you say, man? Sides are different, right? AB.
Yes,
What
sir,
is AB here?
there's no SSA or something.
Yes, sir.
Which congruent? Which congruent property is following then?
Yes, sir, there's no SSA. SSA, it's actually coming SSA, but SSA is not there, like in the
Yeah,
congruence.
it's coming side angle coming. Side angle.
And yes, it's not there. So how can we say it's congruent?
So
Okay.
next question.
Yes, sir. This question, yes, sir. So that angle will be ED, that angle will be 60. Sir.
1 second, 1 second. AB is perpendicular to AA here. All right, AB is perpendicular to AA. BC is perpendicular to AB. Yes. C is equal to DE. AED is equal to
So that is equal to 60, that other angle,
120 degrees.
linear.
AED is equal to 120 degrees. Find ECD.
Sir,
So
it is
this angle,
isosceles. Sir, E is 120, right? Then D is also 120 because it
yes,
is
sir,
opposite.
D is 60, right, sir? That 60, that angle near E, that angle exterior. That angle is 60, right, sir? So, so D will be 60 also, and C will also be 60, and E will also be 60. So it's 60 is the answer, sir. D.
Yes, you can do. Look at it here if you observe this properly. This one, the whichever is looking like. This one, isn't it looking like a quadrilateral? Sum of all angles will be, sum of all
Yes.
interior angles will be A will be 90 degrees, right? This is 90 degrees, beta.
180 plus
This is
120.
90 degrees. And how much this is going to be?
Yes, so 180 plus 120, it's 300. So 360 minus 360. So it's 60.
60, right?
If this
So
60 is
90 plus 90 plus 120 is equal to angle D is equal to 360. So 180,
180 plus 120.
360
So
minus
300.
So 300 degrees. So D
So,
is
so
equal to
60
60.
degrees. So C will also be 60 because opposite to equal
Opposite
side.
equal angle. Opposite. I mean, yeah.
Yes, so
This is
no,
the
this is an
side.
equilateral triangle. E is
Then
also
this is
60.
also going to be equal 60 degrees. Correct?
So then E is also 60. So it's equilateral triangle.
Yes. So this is also 60
Yes,
degrees.
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. We can tell because
Yes, yes.
120 remaining
Yeah.
is 60.
But no, you can say that at the same time 120. Yes, remaining is 60. Very good, Nihal. So
Yes, sir.
angle-
Remaining of that, I said that,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Like,
What is the answer? Very good. What is the answer? ECD is asking. ECD 60 is the
sir,
answer.
ECD is 60 only.
We need
Yes.
not to find out this actually. We just got directly.
Sir, we will get that means the two angles are
Yeah,
isosceles. Then it will get easily.
Yeah, very easily. Next,
This one's 4, sir. This one I think was repeated.
triangle
Yes.
A, B,
Sir, A, B, C, and yes, sir.
both
So,
are equal. Then this
these
side,
both are
this side will be equal, right?
equal.
All right.
Sir,
BC how much given?
4,
4.
sir. So A, B is also 4. We don't need to do anything.
BC, yeah, directly answer is 4. Why? Because angles, I mean, sides opposite to angle, sides opposite to equal angles are equal, right? So 4, 4. Next, this is a
A,
triangle
B,
A.
C, sir, it's also 50. This one's 50.
Yes,
Sir.
sir. This is repeated, I think so.
Sir, I don't know if it's repeated, but the answer is easy.
AB and AC both are equal. So this will be 50 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So
50.
C is the
Sir,
midpoint.
this one I had so this one,
This one is answer.
sir, angle A is also 50, right? Angle BAD is also 50 because isosceles, like opposite to equal sides are equal angles.
Yeah, sir.
One
Is it 50? Then A is also 50.
80, yes, 50.
Please,
Yes,
please.
sir.
1 second. If you allow me to talk, I'll talk. Huh? All right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what he has given here, try to read the question. Here, figure D, in the figure D is the midpoint of side called BC of triangle ABC. Then ABD how much beta 50? AD is equal to BD is equal to CD. AB is equal to BD is equal to CD given to you. All right. Now, so very simple question. Answer is 48 degree. Yeah, directly you can say. Yeah, AD is equal, look at it here. AD is equal to BD, right? This AD and both BD will be equal.
Sir,
Okay.
angle BAD is
Angle
50.
A will be what?
Sir, angle BAD is 50. Yes, sir,
50,
that's
this is
50.
nothing but this is 50, right? So this is going to be what now? 130.
Yes.
Sorry, how
No,
much?
sir.
180 degrees, 80 degrees.
80.
Remaining is 80 or not? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That other thing is 100, sir. That other
Yeah.
other part, ABC.
ACD is asking ACD, he is asking ACD, right? So
Yes, sir. So ADC is 100.
angle
ADC.
ADB plus, angle ADB is equal to what, beta? Angle ADB, by using there is a theorem called exterior angle. ADB is
Yes,
equal.
sir. They're equal to the interior angles. Yes, sir. We can use that or this property. Yes, sir.
No, ADB is equal
To angle ACD,
ACD
ADC.
plus CAD.
Yes, a
Right?
CAD or
Yes, sir. That also we can use, sir.
Yes,
And
sir,
then
or that
the reduces the
yes, sir. We can get the answer by that or angle some property.
Exterior angle theorem, right?
both can be used. Yes, sir. Angle sum property also can be used, and exterior angles property also can be used. Sum of exterior angles equals to the other
Yeah.
interior
To
angle.
sum of two interior opposite angles. Yes.
Sum of two interior opposite angles. Yeah, this is exterior angle. Right. So can I say ACD is what? ACD we need to find out, right?
ACD, sir. So it's 40.
CAD is what?
Sir, they're isosceles equal angles. So 40
Yeah.
plus 40.
CAD is equal to what? ACD or not?
Yes, sir. So we can write 2 ACD and 80 by 2, 40.
CAD is equal to
ACD is
ACD. CAD is equal to ACD. CAD is equal to ACD. Why?
Yes, sir. That is
Why
same, sir.
these two are equal, right?
like
These two are
angles
equal.
opposite to equal sides are equal.
This
Yes.
yes, this is equal side. Now this angle will be this. What is the opposite side to this? This one. What is the opposite side? This. So these two will be equal. All right.
50 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so yeah, like yes, sir. So it's 40, 18 by 2.
Yes, sir.
One second, guys.
చేస్తున్నారా? Sir, are you there?
So total.
Sir?
So
Acha,
total.
acha, okay.
Yes, guys, tell me. Look at this here. Here ACD is equal to 80 degrees. ACD and CAD both are equal, right? So 2 times of ACD beta.
So,
So
80
2
by
1
2.
40. 40 is the
Yes.
answer. Okay. How ACD is equal to CAD?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt, sir, in that, sir. How is that same, sir? CAD and ACD.
Okay.
So because
So
angles
because AD,
opposite to equal
no.
sides are
Yeah. This is, you get this here. AD is equal to CD or not? ये दोनों equal है बेटा.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
one will be equal. This
they're
will be equal.
opposite triangles equal to yes, so they're equal.
So ACG, you understood now?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So,
Huh?
no, sir, I did not understand.
What I'm trying to say here is, look at this here, beta. मैंने आपको फिर से बताता हूँ. Look at this. I'll tell you again. I'll erase this. So what he has given, beta, this and this both are equal, beta. Okay. Okay. What is the
Yes,
opposite
sir.
side to this side? What is the opposite angle to this side? This one. Okay. Okay. Now this one, and what is the opposite side? What is the opposite angle to this one? This
A1,
dono
sir. Yes,
will
sir.
be equal. So A, C, D will be equal to
Yes, sir.
CAD.
So if
C,
angles
A,
opposite
D.
to equal sides are equal.
Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. Okay, Shreyasi ji.
So this is theorem.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? ठीक है. Next. How many have you got this question?
Sir, I got.
Sir, I got, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
it's intersecting in the C, sir.
sir, if that's 52, then ACB is also 50.
104, sir. Answer.
Yes, sir, 104. ACB is also 52. Angle is 104. If angle is 104, angle X is also 104. No, sir, angle is 76. So, yeah, yes, sir. So, alternate interior and then linear
But
pair.
yes, sir. I'll tell you. Wait. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. Whose sides AC, this AC produce E through C. CD is drawn parallel to BA. CD is drawn parallel to BA. Yeah, dono
Yes,
parallel.
sir.
Hai. All right, these two are parallel. Look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
This one, both are parallel. Okay.
So, angle
Yes,
will
sir.
be
And
same, right?
ABC given 52 degrees. AB is equal to AC given to you. Now, tell me, beta, what do you mean by, look at it, this angle is going to be what now? This is going to be what, 52 or not?
52, sir,
Why?
52.
Because
Angle,
yes, sir.
Because it is two sides are
angle
As
opposite
well
to
as
equal
triangle,
sides.
sir.
Angles opposite to equal sides, beta. Okay.
yes,
So,
sir.
how much this is
That
going to be
is
now?
And 76, sir, 76.
76. Why, Vika? 552 plus 52 is 104. 104 plus 76 is 180. So, 174.
Sir, this is opposite to X, right?
Then
76.
alternate interior angles, then this is also 76.
Yeah.
The angle
We need to
here.
find out X, right? We need to find out X here. So, how can I find out X? Tell me.
Sir, angle
let me
is
write
interior alternate
X
interior.
plus ACD beta is equal to how much? 180 degrees.
180, yes, sir.
ACD ये वाला देखो ACD this one.
76. 76.
Okay, you understand my point or not? Let me tell you one more time. ACD this one X plus this linear pair or not? Linear pair or not?
Yes,
This
sir,
one
they
this
are.
one
It's
both
a
makes 180 degrees.
That is
parcels.
Yeah,
that is 76.
exactly. So
Alternate interior.
ACD how much beta now? ACD how much?
Sir, 76 because
76.
alternate interior.
It's alternate interior angle to the ACD.
Yes, sir,
ACD,
76. So
this
X
is
is
76 beta, this is 76, this alternate interior angle, so 76 this one. All right, so X plus 76 is equal to 180 degrees. Answer option kahan hai? Option D is correct. All right, next question. In a given figure, AB is perpendicular to,
Sir, it's FEC, ABD. So you don't even need to look in the picture. It's ABD
Yeah.
is FEC.
look at it here, AB is perpendicular to B, AB is perpendicular to BE, okay. EF is perpendicular to BE, okay. BC is equal to DE, BC is
Sir,
equal to DE,
FEC.
ठीक है. AB is equal to
It is
EF,
very easy question.
EF.
Very,
Sir,
sir,
FEC
Triangle, look
Sir,
at it.
it is
Triangle ABD, where is D here? Triangle ABD
is
is
congruent
congruent
to
to F.
FEC.
FEC,
Yeah,
sir, because you don't need to look in the picture also, sir. They gave hints already.
Already hints given, only two triangles available. I mean,
Yes,
possibility triangles.
Two sides are available and one angle.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
heights are available and one angle. Side, angle, side. All right. So both are this ABD is
Sir,
congruent
we
to
can write it in the order like ABD, FEC. That's it. Yes, sir.
yeah, ABD and FEC. Yes.
Yes, sir. SAS theorem. Yes, sir.
Side angle, side, right? Next, D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC.
This one I had a doubt, sir, actually. Sir, like it bisects angle A, so BD is equal to CD, right? Angles opposite to equal angles, sides opposite to equal angles are equal, right?
I'll tell you, wait. This is triangle ABC beta, okay? Cool. Then such that AD bisects BAC.
So this question I gave you that day in the chat also.
This is what this is AD beta, okay? Bisect is nothing but this is, this is what we have here, okay? Then what is that?
So like it's bisecting, so BAD and CAD are equal. So angles opposite, sides opposite to equal angles are equal, right? So BD is equal to
Sir,
CD, right?
bisecting means always in half, sir. So obviously it will be in the center, sir. D.
Yes.
So
Of
BD is
BCM.
equal to
Wait,
CD,
wait, wait.
right?
AD is what, beta? AD is what? Bisector of BAC. Okay. Isn't it? Ah. So now can I say BAD is equal to CAD? Do you agree with my
CAD.
point? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. That's it.
Now,
BD is equal to
now
CD.
look at it. If you look at this triangle, if you look at this triangle, if you look at this
So
triangle,
BD is equal to CD, right?
wait. In triangle ACD, beta, ADC is what? What is this triangle?
90 perpendicular.
This is the external triangle to this triangle or not? This is external angle. For angle ADC, this is an external angle. What we know actually from that external angle of a triangle is always greater than internal opposite angles of the same. Look at this. Can I write what do you mean by this? This is very important actually. ADB, ADB, this one, ADB is equal DAC plus angle DCA. Do you agree with my point? DAC is equal to DCA. What we know actually, let me write here. External angle of a triangle is, this is external angle, okay? External angle of a triangle is always, greater than each opposite internal angles. Each angles of the same triangle. Okay, of the same triangle. Now what I'm trying to say here is, everyone listen to me. This is triangle A, B, C. This is bisector, perpendicular bisector.
And AB is the greatest side among.
1 second. Now this D, this side, ADB is equal to sum of DAC, this one, and DCA. All right. So exterior angle is always equal to sum of, it is always greater than, external angle of a triangle is always greater than internal opposite angles of the same triangle.
Opposite internal angles of the opposite
The
angle.
angle A and angle C are equal, I think.
Now can I say this is DAC is equal to BAD? DAC is equal to BAD or not? BAD.
Yes, sir.
And DCA as it is. Angle ADB, right? All right. Now, this is what we got. Now tell me guys, here ADB, look at the diagram. ADB is equal to BAD plus DCA. Yes. Now can I say here, BA is always greater than BD? Of course. BA is always greater than BD or not? How?
Sir, how do you, is that 90-degree angle? No. Sir.
If you say that BA is always greater than BD. Now BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. BD is greater than BA. No, BD is greater than BA. Impossible. CD is greater than CA. No. Option D deleted, C deleted. Option B should be the correct one.
Sir, A, why not?
Huh?
So that's only an isosceles triangle A.
So it's an isosceles triangle, so obviously the angles
No,
are
who said it
same.
is an isosceles triangle? Did they give any isosceles triangle? BD,
Oh no, sir, no, sir.
no. My question
No,
here
sir,
is,
I'm not saying that is isosceles. I'm saying that option is true when it's an isosceles ring. only.
You're right.
So,
Actually,
sir, this answer can only be told by the exterior angle property.
so here, look at this here. Whenever you have given isosceles triangle, we have learnt BD is equal to CD in isosceles triangle, not in a random triangle. He has not mentioned that is an isosceles triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
And one more thing I'll tell you here. If you don't understand like this, I'll tell you one beautiful property here. Look at this here. Guys, everyone look at the board clearly. See, in a triangle, what happens? The greater angle. Everyone listen to me carefully. Don't look at here and there. Greater angle has the longer side opposite
Yes,
to
sir,
it.
we know this. We already discussed
Okay, in a
this.
triangle, the greater angle has the longer side opposite to it. Now, can I say here? AC, I mean, like, what is this? Here, ADC is greater than BAD. All right.
I actually didn't.
ADC greater than CAD. You can say that. Why? Because CAD, BAD, I mean CAD or DAC, BAD both are equal. Now I can, by using this, I can say BA is greater than BD, and A, option A can't possible. Option B only correct. Why? Because option C, D, however, they have deleted. Option A
Yes.
is possible only if they are isosceles triangle.
Sir,
Okay.
once can you explain from that red step? I didn't
In a
understand.
triangle, the
No, sir, can you explain from that red step AD B is equal to BAD plus DC? I didn't understand. Sir.
no, beta. What here BAD? What I have done, beta? BAD is equal to CAD, right? I just
Yes, sir.
substituted this as this. This is as it is here. DCA is also as it is actually. Now look at it. ADB. ADB is equal sum of BAD, this one, plus DCA, this one. DCA. Getting my point? This angle and this angle. Sum of these two is equal to ADB, this one. Interior, that is what I wrote. Look at here. External angle of a triangle is always greater than each opposite internal angles. What is opposite to this? This one. Opposite internal angles. This is an internal angle, beta. This one. And this is an internal
Yes,
angle.
sir.
Both are opposite or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I wrote, you just look at the diagram and imagine. You don't have space to write much. So because of that, I can say that BA is always greater than BD now. It is a very interesting question. Again, whenever we learned,
Sir, I still didn't understand why BA is greater
Sir,
than.
once can you like just, yes, sir. So once can you like show what are the interior angles, sir? In that.
I didn't understand how BA is greater than.
1 second. If you don't understand like this, I'll tell you. Where is that? I think I have to write here. Let me write here. No, this is fine. Okay. Huh?
sir, you can tell that BD is more.
1 second,
and
I'll explain you. 1 second. Let me create some space, guys. Let me erase all this so that we can create some space here. Let me explain you neatly so that you will understand. Very important. I think last year also one student has asked like this. I'll explain you neatly too.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'll explain. Be cool. Okay? First of all, you draw the triangle. I'm writing for this. Let me take someone big example. A, B, C. Alright. So bisecting is nothing but it is like this. Making equal angle. So bisecting is nothing but beta, it divides into equal parts. Okay? So what is the angle? Is just going to be this is half. If it is something
So
theta, this is going
BAD
to be
is
theta
equal
by
to
2, this is going to be theta by 2, right? Wait.
Hmm.
I mean, this is angle A, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
angle A. One second, let me go here. It's A, right? So this is A by 2. This is also A by 2. Now I understood. AD bisecting what here? AD
AD bisects
bisects angle what? BAC.
BAC.
Now it is dividing in equal parts. It is dividing in equal parts. AD bisecting BAC is nothing but can I write? BAD is equal DAC. Do you agree with my point now? Is it clear? Let us take this as starting question. This is very important. From this only we wrote that one. I'll tell you.
Sir, I understood till here.
Sorry, Lalit.
Sir, I understood till here, sir.
Wait. Let me finish fully. So from this, what he is asking? He is asking which of the following option is correct. One second. I think I don't have it. So let us take triangle ADC. So let us take triangle ADC separately. Let me draw separately like this. Okay, beta. Now that external angle part you didn't understand, right? I'll tell you. Better look at it. This is external angle or not here? This D1 is outside or not?
Yes, so it's equal to the sum of.
So what is that external angle? I'm talking about this angle, beta. This, B. Which angle? Which angle is that? B.
BDA, sir. BDA.
BDA.
BD.
Yes.
It is what, beta?
Is equal to C.
Sir.
External angle. As I told you, there is a property called BDA.
Is equal to CAD.
Tell me what is it?
Opposite angle, sir.
CAD, sir. CAD.
A plus DCA plus
ACD.
CAD.
EAC. This, it will be equal to always this two angles, beta. This one is always equal to this one plus this one. Okay? Now got a clarity?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir, you know,
we know
DCA plus DCA.
we know that DAC is equal to what, beta? Bad. Angle bad. BAD. Okay? Now angle B.
Sir. Sir, are you there?
Now, guys, one common sense, I'll ask a simple question to everyone. Now, guys, everyone tell me whether is BDA is greater than this or not. Now tell me.
Yes, sir.
Of course, common sense, beta. Look at it. This is always
Yes, sir,
greater than this or not. Tell me.
sir. Yes, sir.
It is clearly visible. You know, I'm telling you one thing here. If I ask you, beta, X is equal to 2 plus.
Yes, sir, that's 90 degrees and that's somewhat like
here-
acute angle, sir.
X is equal to 2 plus Y is nothing, but X is always greater than Y or not, tell me. Generally.
Yes, sir.
Something.
X is more than X is equal to 2 times of Y actually. I mean 2 times of Y is nothing but I mean whatever Y has plus 2 if you add, so you will get X, which is nothing but X is greater than Y, of course.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can I say now BDA is greater than DAC or not? Now let us write like this. Observe properly. BDA is always greater than DAC.
Yes, sir. So DAC is equal to bad. So BA is equal to greater than BD. Yes,
Sorry?
sir. Understood. Yes, sir. Now DAC is equal to bad. So BDA
One
is
second.
greater.
I'll tell you one second. Let me finish. One second. Let me write fully. DAC is what beta here? BDA. DAC is what beta? BAD or not?
DAC.
BAD, sir.
BAD, yes, sir. So yeah, understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now-
Understood. BA is equal to greater than BD.
Okay. From where we got this? From the star equation.
Yes, sir. So BA is equal to BD. BA is greater than BD.
One second. BDA is greater than BAD. Now tell me guys, I'll ask you a simple question. Angles, sides opposite to equal angles. Okay. This is equal. What is the side? What is the opposite what is the opposite side to this one? Tell me now, let's take this D we took, right? What is the opposite side to this D?
BA.
BA.
B, yeah,
Yeah,
BS
and
also, yeah.
opposite to BAD is BD.
1 second, 1 second. What is opposite to BDA? What is opposite to BDA? AB.
Yes, sir.
Maybe, sir.
Opposite to BAD.
Now tell me
Yes.
BD. 1 second. Now this BA, right? Like that BA is greater than, what is opposite side? What is opposite side to this?
Yes, sir. BD. BD.
What is the opposite side to this? B.
BD.
BDA, beta, look at this here. Try to understand what I'm trying to say. BDA, this angle. What is the opposite side to that? AB or BA? BAD. BAD. What is the opposite side to that?
Opposite angle, na, sir. Opposite.
Is it clear now? Any doubts? Lalitji, hope I cleared your doubt.
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
got
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, as you said, BAD is equal to CAD. So BD is equal to CD, right? Because yes, sir, you're like replacing the angles of the sides
No,
also.
angles, not sides. Angles, not sides. Who said a side, man? Angles BAD. 1 second, guys. If there is no back option, actually, I have to erase this. BAD is equal to DAC, actually. These two equal. Okay. Can I say bisector is nothing but that is what I'm meaning, right? Yes. Now, this is the one side. What is the opposite side to this? AB or BA. What is the opposite side to this? BD. Right? BDA. Opposite to side, this is this one. Opposite side to DAC is what? DAC. What is the opposite side to this? This one. So AB, this one is greater than this one. BD is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but BA.
Like, I understood. Yes, sir.
This is
So
how.
the exterior angle, sir, to the opposite interior angle, sir, it is always greater, sir. So here that part applies.
That is
sir.
what we have applied. That's it. And that part,
Sir,
Yes.
yeah, that part we have applied. We know that DAC is equal to what? BAD, isn't it?
sir,
Ah,
in the 9th question, yeah, option E is also equal, sir. EFC.
where is that?
The 9th one, EFC. No, sir. EFC is not there.
Oi, EFC, how man?
AB, sir, starting.
Okay, okay.
Starting from where, da? Starting from where, man? A,
Yes.
B, C. So it will start from F,
Okay, okay, sir.
then comes E, then goes C,
Yes, sir.
like that.
Okay, sir.
Next.
Sir, I think time is up.
Time is up, guys. 1 second. I think we will discuss remaining questions in the next class. I think you guys are waiting from long. This triangles question you have to discuss slowly, then only you will learn it. If you hurry if you discuss like that, you don't understand anything. No problem. We will discuss those remaining 4 questions in the next class. So thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Please revise,
you,
go through your mistakes and come to the class. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.